Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Louise. I am Louise. On today's episode, I want to show you a quick and easy appetizer that's perfect for your holiday parties. It's called roasted red pepper and walnut dip. The entire thing is made in our Deluxe Cooking Blender in just 2 minutes and 20 seconds. These are the ingredients that you will need for today's recipe. 1 16-ounce jar of roasted red peppers. I have mine draining in our colander. 1.5 cups of toasted walnuts. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon, or a little more depending on your taste, of red pepper flakes. A pinch of salt. A tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So this recipe is entirely done in one of my new favorite products, and that is our Deluxe Cooking Blender. Be sure to look for my previous videos featuring the Deluxe Cooking Blender. So everything just gets thrown in. It's super easy. We're going to start with the roasted red peppers. And just so you know, this recipe is actually found in the cookbook that comes with the blender. Next, we're going to add the roasted walnuts, the honey, the paprika, red pepper flakes, pinch of salt, lemon juice, and the olive oil. There we go. Set that all aside. We're going to put the lid on. Turn on the blender, and then we just turn the knob to the grind setting, and we push start. And it's going to take 2 minutes and 20 seconds for yummy, yummy goodness.
A few moments later.
There we go. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the blender. And as you can see, I have our large round entertaining piece with the small bowl set up ready to go. And I like to serve this dip with some pita chips, an assortment of vegetables, and even some crackers. So let me show you how good this looks. Smooth and creamy. And I must say, it's festive looking for the holidays. There we go. So one other thing that I love to use this for, I found this out when we had some leftover dip after a party the other night, is I just thin this out with a little bit of vegetable stock, and I actually toss it into some pasta. It made a delicious sauce for my pasta. And there you have a quick and easy appetizer for your next holiday party. Please be sure to subscribe, give me some thumbs up, and ring the bell so you will be notified of all my upcoming videos. Happy holidays! These are all the products used in today's video. I have put the links in the description, so if you would like any of them in your kitchen. And remember, please subscribe so you will be up to date with all of my latest videos.